Hey, what's up guys? Hope you are all doing great. As you know, the iOS 17 is already out. If you remember the speculations that Apple will natively support the sideloading apps without jailbreak, it hasn't happened yet. Therefore, you have to use a third-party application to sideload apps without jailbreak on your iPhone, which I will show you using the Sideloadly Windows iOS 17 tutorial. Let's see how to download Sideloadly Windows on iOS 17. Also, I will show you how to use Sideloadly to sideload apps without jailbreak on iPhone or iPad. This is the complete Sideloadly Windows beginner tutorial from A to Z. Every issue is addressed which a new user may face with this Sideloadly. Let's first see how to download Sideloadly Windows. But before that, hit the like button right now so the YouTube pushes this complete guide to the other users looking for this Sideloadly Windows tutorial. If you are a Mac user, I already have uploaded a step-by-step tutorial to download Sideloadly Mac. The link is up in the cards and in the description below. Guys, first you need to download Sideloadly iOS 17 Windows setup file to install. Apart from that, you also need to download iTunes and iCloud on your Windows PC for it to work. And both of these must be from the Apple website and not from the Microsoft Store. If you have installed iTunes or iCloud from the Microsoft Store, uninstall them and then install these ones. Guys, you do not need to go and search separately to download all these three things. You can get them from just one place. For that, go to the Google and search for Sideloadly Windows Tech Acrobat. And click on this link. On this page, scroll down to this section. Here are the Sideloadly links, download according to your PC. And below that, here are iTunes and iCloud download links from the Apple website. Just click on here. And on the next page, click on the skip button and it will start downloading. I already have downloaded all these files. Here are mine. Now first you need to install iTunes and iCloud. As I mentioned earlier, if you have installed iTunes and iCloud from the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC, uninstall them first and then install these ones. Once you install iCloud and iTunes, then restart your computer. And after that, follow the next steps. Restarting the PC after the installation is a must before using Sideloadly Windows iOS 17. After the restart, double-click on the downloaded Sideloadly Windows setup file and click on the next buttons to install it on your Windows PC. Once the installation process completes, click Finish and it will open the Sideloadly on your Windows PC. Here it is. By far, this is how to download and install Sideloadly Windows iOS 17. After that, let's see how to use Sideloadly on Windows PC to sideload apps on your iPhone without jailbreak. Before that, if you have made this far in this video, hit the like and subscribe button for more iOS related videos. To use Sideloadly, you must have an IPA file to sideload without jailbreak on your iPhone. I am using Dopamine Jailbreak IPA to sideload to demonstrate it to you. You can use any other app, the process is the same. Now first, connect your device with the computer on which you want to sideload the app using Sideloadly. In case you are facing an issue that Sideloadly not detecting device, that means you are using it for the first time. Hit the trust button on your device and it will show you here. Then in the Apple ID field, put your Apple ID. You can use any dummy account as well if you want, but make sure the same Apple ID is logged on your connected device. Now to install an IPA, click on the IPA button on the left side and select the IPA you want to install on the attached device using Sideloadly Windows iOS 17. Once you select the IPA file, hit the start button. Now, here are some of the important things to take care of if you are using Sideloadly Windows for the very first time. This is why it's a complete beginner Sideloadly Windows guide. After selecting the IPA, when you click on the start button, it will ask you to put in the password for the Apple ID you just added in the Sideloadly. Put in the password and proceed. However, if you have enabled the two-factor authentication for your Apple ID, it will show you another window to enter the two-factor authentication code to log in. put in the code you receive on your device in the box. If you do not receive it, simply click on the send SMS button and you will receive the code for Sideloadly iOS 17. Put that in the box and proceed. At this point, the process to sideload app without jailbreak with Sideloadly Windows will start. But still, there are chances that a few of you will see another error stating Sideloadly verification failed. The device is already associated with the other accounts in the Apple developer program. If you are facing this, let's see how to fix this. To fix this error, you must remove some of the devices connected to the Apple ID you just put in. You can do that from your attached device. For that, go into the settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll to the bottom. Here you will see all the devices connected to the Apple ID. Tap on the one you want to remove, and on the next window, tap on the remove from account option and it will be removed. Now you will not see this error. Go back to the computer screen, click on the cancel button and click on the start button again to install the app with the Sideloadly Windows. The process will now go on and you will not see any error unless the device is disconnected. Once the process completes, you will see the done message on the Sideloadly Windows screen and the installed app on your device's home screen. If you have successfully installed it, hit the subscribe button guys. Now to use the installed app, you need to trust this app first. If you try to open it, it will ask you to trust it first. For that, go into the settings, then in general, VPN and device management, tap on your Apple ID and trust the app. Once the app is trusted, if you try to open it, it will show you another error that the developer mode is required. This means you must enable the developer mode on your device to use the third-party app. For that, go into the settings, privacy and security, scroll down at the bottom. Here, you will see the developer mode option. Tap on it and enable it by enabling the toggle. Once it shows you the restart option, restart the device. If you do not see the developer mode option here, how do you get that? More on that in a moment. After the restart, tap on the turn on button on your device and the developer mode will be enabled. Now, if you do not see developer mode option here, then you need to install it first on your device. For that, I already have published a complete video on how to fix developer mode not showing on your device. You can find the link in the description below. Once developer mode is enabled, you can use the app you just sideloaded using Sideloadly Windows iOS 17. This is guys how to download Sideloadly Windows on iOS 17 and use it to sideload apps without jailbreak. If you face any error or issues, please leave a comment below. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button.